Yung may starter ka na, entree, and may beverage pa. Another 385 pakulo ni Bistro. And for me, sa pinaka-favorite kong Bistro Group Restaurant, Italianis. May pang treat na ulit tayo sa fam or sa kadate natin. Ang sulit talaga, as in busog ka, tapos big serving talaga yung mga dishes. And for me, dito yung pinakasulit na complete dining set na meron ng Bistro Group dahil biased talaga ako sa Italianis. And ito pa, new and improved complete dining set nga naman para bagong experience ulit. Hindi lang yung paboritong series natin nagkaka-season 2. Din na rin itong favorite nating complete dining set from Italianis. For us, we really enjoyed the 2 meat dishes, yung herb chicken quartered with rice and the grilled pork chops. Both proteins were cooked perfectly, seasoned well, and ang best part, may vegetables pa siyang kasama. For the starters, we got the house salad that you can choose between the Italian vinaigrette and Caesar dressing. Very consistent talaga mga salad ng Bistro Group. Kasama sa appetizer itong pizzetta na perfect pairing sa pasta nila. For the pasta naman, we got the pesto. Love the vibrance sa binibigay ng tomatoes. We find it too flavorful lang for us. And of course, for the drinks, you can choose between an iced tea and the landan. For its price, no, ang laki nung serving talaga. And dahil nga mas confident tayo sa bill, I find the BTS o yung Bistro to share nila super sulit. Starts at 1,495 lang. You get to choose a starter and 3 entrees. And personally, we really enjoyed this spread more. Love the pizza, the eggplant parmigiana, parmesan crusted fish ang pinaka-enjoy ng tita at nanay ko, and pretty solid baked ziti. So whether complete dining set o yung BTS set, I feel like sulit ka either way. Akalain mo yung Italianis dati, minsan lang namin makainan. Pag may okasyon lang talaga. Pero ngayon, mas lalo napapadalas tuloy. Enjoy!